Welcome to Quizify. Total questions 10. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Which animal is known as the most dangerous reptile? Crocodile, snake, lizard, turtle. Crocodile. Which small insect kills the most people every year? Bee, mosquito, ant, fly. Mosquito. Which animal is called the Black Death of Africa? Leopard, Cape buffalo, rhino, tiger. Cape buffalo. Which water animal is famous for deadly attacks? Shark, whale, seal, crab. Shark. Which animal can kill with a single sting? Scorpion, box jellyfish, snake, spider. Box jellyfish. Which mammal lays eggs? Whale, kangaroo, platypus, dolphin. Platypus. What is a baby frog called? Puppy, tadpole, calf, cub. Tadpole. Which animal has a very long neck? Elephant, camel, giraffe, horse. Giraffe. Which bird can mimic human speech? Crow, parrot, owl, sparrow. Parrot. Which animal runs the fastest? Horse, dog, cheetah, deer. Cheetah.